In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Don't worry, you don't need to download any recorder app because your Vivo already has one. So find it, and when you're ready, launch it. Now, to start recording, hit red button at the bottom and wait. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. You can manage it thanks to all of those options. You can hold it and operate all of those. To play it, you need to click on it. And what most people miss, you can click on those three dots at the top right corner to access all of those options as well, like rename. My favorite one though is called trim, because after tapping on it you can pick any section and hit trim button to decide if you want to delete it or extract it. Whatever you decided, when you're done, just wait. Then click on the check mark at the bottom right corner. Go back to the list and see your second recording. Now to delete any of them, you can click on this bin under the chosen one and hit delete, or hold it and click on the delete option at the bottom between share and rename. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!